झूला। क्या क्या सपने सजाए थे जब ये झूला आया था कि एक हाथ में चाय की प्याली होगी, दूसरे में किताब, मस्त से किताब पढ़ूंगी, व्यू एंजॉय करूंगी, चाय पीऊंगी। पर फिर ये झूला हाईजैक हो गया। Hi you guys, welcome to Dafty Dames. I am Durga and we really hope कि आपको हमारे वीडियोस देखने में उतना ही मज़ा आ रहा है जितना हमें बनाने में आता है. And we come up with new and interesting video every week. So please subscribe to our channel and वो notification bell दबाना मत भूलना so that you will get notified whenever we upload a video. Moving on to today's video. आज का वीडियो प्लान नहीं था पर अभी ज़रूरत बन गया है. So recently we rescued a cat. उसका नाम हमने कुकी रखा है और जब कुकी घर पे आया था तभी वो इतना डरा हुआ था, वो टेबल के नीचे से बाहर भी नहीं आ रहा था. पर सेकेंड डे से जो उसने हमारा घर हाईजैक कर लिया है, चेयर्स, टेबल्स, बेड्स, एवरीथिंग इज हिज, बट हिज प्राइज पोजेशन इज दैट झूला. जब से उसने वो झूला डिस्कवर किया है वो इधर वो झूले पे सोया हुआ रहता है या फिर सन बादिंग करता रहता है एंड ही लव्स दैट झूला. एंड अगर कभी वी आर द फर्स्ट वन टू रीच दैट झूला, ही इज़ ऑलवेज अराउंड वेटिंग फॉर अस टू गेट आउट. सो अभी एक ही ऑप्शन बचा है दैट वी विल हैव टू ट्राई एंड मेक अ रिप्लेसमेंट झूला फॉर हिम. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई एंड मेक अ कैट्स हैमॉक. आई रियली होप ही लाइक्स इट एंड ही विल गिव अस आवर झूला बैक एंड he can have his own झूला. So let's try and make one. So to begin with, I have taken this black cord of 3 mm and I have measured it around 23.5 feet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half. So I'll take both the corners and I'll fold it in half. Now what I'll do is, say I'm thinking to make my hanging of 35 inches. So I'll keep 15 inches ka margin additional. So I'll measure 50 inches on the tape. So say I'll just measure 50. So this is 50 here and then I'll fold it again. So now I have 4 cords like this, but I'll have an extra 2 cords. These are going to be our working cords and I'll just fold this and I've folded 3 more like this. So I'll just take them all together like this and now we will do a gathering knot over here. So we will have a loop of all these and then we'll just make a gathering knot here. Okay. So I'm taking this S clip and I'm going to hang it over here so that it is easy for us to work in, and then I'm going to put all the cords on this loop and then for a gathering knot I have taken this 3 feet ka another color ka rope. This is also 3 mm. So I'll keep one corner of the rope facing up and then I'll make a loop like this and then we will start wrapping this black threads with the white one. So just pull it tight and start wrapping. And once I reach the end, I'll just put this corner in this loop. Just pull it tight and I'll just put it in this loop and then I'll pull this upar wala cord. So I'll just pull this tight and pull it in. So my cord goes in like this and I'll pull both the ends. Pull as tight as you can. Okay, so this is secured. Cut the extra cord off and here you go. This is our gathering knot. Now we will start working on the hanging. We have this uncut edges, we'll first cut those. And now we will separate this smaller and bigger cord. So every cord will have two small and two big ones. So this will be one side. Let's just put it here. Two shorter, two larger, and this is our fourth one. So now we have 4 sets, 1, 2, 3, 4 of 2 shorter and 2 larger cords. So now let's start working on the first set. What I'll do is, I am first going to make a square knot. For a square knot, what we do is, while working only, we should remember that the larger ones are the ones we have to work. These two are the shorter ones, so they'll go in the middle, and the larger one are the working cords. So these two are our larger cords. So make a 4 from a rightmost, and then pull the leftmost from the other side and pull it through from the right loop. So this is our first square knot from one side, and then we'll do the same from the other side. So we'll make a 4 from here, and then I'll pull this rightmost from the leftmost loop. So this makes our first square knot. So I'll continue doing this, say 20 times. I'll do this 20 times and I'll do 20 each. तो जब भी मैंने शुरू किया था, I said we'll make 20, but while working on it, मुझे लगा कि 13 should be enough. तो अभी मैं हर एक सेट पे 13 कर रही हूँ. तो ये अभी आखिरी सेट है, and once this is done, we will move on to some other design. All my 4 sets are done, and these are 13 square knots. I have to just make sure that all are in the same length, and then I'll keep 3 of them aside and start working on the first one. So again, what I'll do is, both the corners, the working threads are the larger ones, and then I'll make a square knot at some distance like so, and I'll finish the square knot from the left side as well, and I'll make one more. So I'll make 2 of the square knots from, say, this much distance. Pull it tight, and then again I'll make a square knot right here. So say half of this. And now I'll start making the spiral knot. For a spiral knot, as you have seen in a Dreamcatcher video, we will just do a square knot from the right side. So we'll keep doing the square knot from the right side only, not from the left side. So make a 4 from the rightmost and pull the left thread from there and keep repeating it. So we get a kind of spiral effect on this knot. So here you go. So there is this spiral kind of feeling. So I'll do the same, say around 15 more of these spiral knots. Now I'll take another of this set. So make sure that the largest are your working threads. make a square knot on the same distance as you made the earlier one. So this is where, then the second one. It's at the equal distance. Then finish the second square knot. Right, left. So here we go. Then keep the same distance again. Take the reference from the first set. Finish your square knot. Start doing your spiral knots. I'll do the same with all the other two sets as well. So to make the seat for the Jhula, I have taken this metal ring. It is 15 inches in diameter, and then I have taken a 3 mm ka white macrame cord, and this is 65 inches, and we have around 14 of these cords. So what we are going to do is we are going to double them and put a lark knot from down and pull both the threads from inside. So this is our first lark knot. I'm going to put all these on the ring now. So we are making a set of 2 like this. So we'll carry on. Make them equidistant. I'm just going to tighten all my lark knots once the place is fixed for it, and then we will start working on the first one. We have 4 of these, so I'll just secure it here with the help of a square knot. So this is done. We'll do all of them. Now all the square knots are done. I'm going to make 2 more of the square knots on each of the pairs. So let's quickly do that. Now we are going to start making the basket. For that, what we'll do is we'll take these 2 and we are going to take the 2 cords from this end and the adjacent 2 cords from this end, and then we will make a square knot somewhere over here. So we'll do that. And we'll keep it a bit loose so that the basket will be created. So this much should be enough, and I'll just secure the square knot. You just have to make sure that it is equidistant from both the ends. And here we go. We'll secure it with another one. So there it is. So we'll take the remaining 2 of these cords and we'll tie it with the neighboring set. So now we are attaching the sets together. We are creating a net kind of thing. So we'll just check where it is. So it's the same. So we'll do the same round with all of them and then a smaller one again, and then I'll show you how to close the net. And with this हमारी नेट पूरी तरह से रेडी है. अभी इसको बास्केट बनाने के लिए, इसका बास्केट कवर करने के लिए वी आर गोइंग टू क्लोज दिस and tie a gathering knot at the end of this. So for a gathering knot again, we'll take another thread. This is 35 inches. This ऐसे loop बनाएंगे. Then we'll start wrapping this thread around all these threads. तो इसको tight pull कीजिए and start wrapping. When we come towards the end of it, we'll just put this thread inside the loop like this and pull it, and then we will pull this thread. इसको tightly खींचेंगे because we don't want any surprises and we don't want cookie to fall down. Cut all the ends. And here we are. Our basket and the seat for cookie is ready. अभी ये सिर्फ hanging को attach करना है. तो what I'm going to do is start tying these on the ring. We'll tie each thread. So double knot करेंगे secure करने के लिए. I'm just going to decorate it with some beads and so on. So let's do that. To make it more cozy, I'm going to put this soft and warm blanket so that it's comfortable to sleep in it. So now it's time to hang the jhula. I have decided to keep it alongside the original one. We will just see if she likes the jhula or not. Cookie? So he was only playing with those hanging threads. तो मुझे लिटरली उसको उठा के हैमॉक में रखना पड़ा, बट आई गेस ही लव्स इट. Well, this brings us to the end of our cat jhula video, and Cookie loves it already because he's already sleeping. He's not interested in what we are doing, but he loves the jhula, and we know that because he has slept here whole night and this is his place now, and we have our jhula for ourselves. The biggest tip is to make sure that the blanket which you are using is very comfortable and cozy. And if you are using a pillow, even that is more softer so that they can have a comfortable seat for themselves. And if you like this video the same way Cookie loves his jhula, please give us a big fat thumbs up and share this video and comment and tell us how did you like it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.